Hi everyone, Erica here from Circle Furniture, and I want to talk to you today about how to take care of your fabric upholstery. Here in the Boston area, we've been a leading provider of fabric upholstery for over 40 years, so we know our way around taking care of a good sofa. Today we're going to walk you through basic maintenance, how to take care of an accident or spill, and what exactly you should clean your upholstery with. So let's talk about basic maintenance. The first thing you can do is flip and rotate and give a little fluff to your loose back cushions. This will help them distribute the materials and wear evenly. The other thing we recommend you do is to vacuum your upholstery on a regular basis. Especially underneath, it will get rid of any loose debris, aka snacks that someone might be eating on your sofa, and that will prevent wear and tear over the long term. It's best to avoid putting your upholstery in direct sun. That will prevent fading over time. All fabric will fade slightly over time, depending on the color and the make of the upholstery. So it's best to avoid sunlight if you can. If you can't, pull the shades while you're gone or potentially rotate the piece in different parts of the room. Periodic professional cleaning is recommended. Just like your car, a regular professional clean from time to time will extend the life of your upholstery. Now we're going to talk about accidents and spills. Inevitably, spills are going to happen. We always recommend a professional clean for the best results, but if you are going to spot clean, here are a few tips. First, test your cleaner on a little piece of your upholstery that's either on the back or the bottom to make sure that it's not going to discolor your main section of your sofa or chair. Second, always blot the stain first rather than rub it into your upholstery, and that will help lift as much of the stain off of the sofa as possible. Third, clean spots from the inside out to prevent rings. And lastly, always check your cleaning codes of your fabric to see what type of material you should use. Just like your clothing has a labeling system, fabric upholstery does as well, and it will indicate what type of cleaner you should use for your specific fabric. Thank you for watching. Now we hope you understand some basic maintenance to keep your fabric upholstery looking fresh. If you like these videos and want to see more, please click to subscribe. And if you have any questions about fabric upholstery maintenance, please comment below.